Yes, we've been going camping at Inglewood for years, and we'll see plenty little potteroo there. It'd be only about knee high, those potteroos. We saw they were camping near this log. We saw one in the daytime. He ran away, so we put the trail camera there. And then a bit later on, Brer Fox came along too, having a look. He jumps up on the log here, looking up for a feed of birds. Probably if there's one sleeping a bit low down. We're lucky too, the kangaroos. Look at him, woohoo! I took a video of the roo getting under the fence. Was just up there. You can see a black cow in the background there. It was just there. We put this trail camera on the trail, and just luck happened, this fella stopped right by the camera. And his wild mate does a wild jump as he comes by him. A couple of wallabies, wild pig, the robin, duckbill, not duckbill, spoonbill, comes there to the water hole. Golden whistler, this one I think. It's a beauty, isn't it? That's him again. That's the rufous whistler. I've got some of him whistling a bit later on. That's the yellow robin. He dug that out from underneath the wilga bush, bashed him up and ate him. There's lots of robins there. They're there all year long. That's mum feeding the baby. Whistle you little. He can whistle, can't he? There's one of the parrots there. And yeah, we take the camera and do star trails. I take the telescope out as well. It's just a good spot to go camping.